March is here. Guess what that means? March Mania. And that means we are going to be teaching you tons of stuff about all areas of the face and body. We are going to be sharing all kinds of knowledge and information. There are going to be amazing deals to be had. And we are going to do a tiered system for prizes. For every $50 spent, you guys are going to earn entries into the giveaway. And I'm so super stoked. We're going to be giving away tons of stuff, all kinds of really cool goodies. And I will put together an entire basket and let you see those in just a bit. But first, let's talk about the important stuff. Week 1 begins with eyes, everything eyes. We are going to be talking not only about some amazing products, but how you can create the looks you want, the brows you want, the lashes you want, and the whole bit, all about eyes. The second week, we're going to take a deep dive into your face. So everything face, from foundations to concealers to powders to all of it, we're going to be introducing to you all the things that you need to know to get the look that you want. Did you know Senegence can help you let it grow? From your hair to your lashes to your nails to all of it, Senegence can help you let it grow. And that's week 3. We'll wrap the whole thing up with lips, one of our favorites, and of course our flagship product. So I'm super stoked to jump into all this with you guys. And here we go, March Mania.